Home decor with indoor plants is always the easiest and cheapest way to enhance the beauty of each and every corner of a home or a place like this. This is the front area of my home. But if you are a crazy plant lover like me, I mean if you go on adding more and more plants without realizing how much space you have to accommodate all of them, then I am sure you will face a little bit challenge while cleaning this space and maintain your plants time to time. In addition to all this, literally I have to relocate all of my plants to another place with the changing angle of the sunlight in different seasons. Then what to do? How to decorate your home with lovely indoor plants? This is Gitanjali. I would like to share which are the key points you should keep in your mind while you are in such a situation like this. First, I recollect all my stuffs, materials, the old and new ones, like the old furnitures, the stands, bars, tiles, different size of pots, cups and mugs. Everything I fill them using in my decoration. Then I try to use maximum space, like this air space and this vertical space. And on ground, I keep my plants in different layers. Usually I prefer to restrict the color of my pots in of white or black or this color. I love this earthen color, the color of terracotta. I don't like to shift my attention from this beautiful foliage to the very striking color of the planters like red, blue. So I always try to have a very smooth and soothing transition of colors of the planters to the plants. I love to keep the small items like this statue or any handicraft items, whatever I get within my reach, or anything I have created or I have done on my own, but they are not very costly or fancy items. I don't prefer that. I don't want them to be the dominant features in my decoration, because my decoration is with indoor plants, not with the fancy items. Lastly, it's always nice to have a focal point if the space is not too small. The object can be anything. It can be a statue, it can be a plant stand, it can be a cluster of same plant or any piece of art or any plant, any standout plant like this. And here the focal point is this statue.